Hello everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a fabulous and a wonderful day. On this video, I wanted to share with you about this amazing tool that I have been testing for a couple of weeks, and it is been doing very awesome for my affiliate marketing business. So if you are someone who's actually doesn't have time to go ahead and promote your offers through a content marketing, this tool will actually automate everything, and I'll actually share with you step-by-step process what I actually do on a day-to-day basis for me to get that sales on my affiliate marketing business. And this strategy can also work if you, for example, if you're doing YouTube automation channel and if you want to now get views on your shorts, this will be a awesome way for you to generate that extra stream of income through your YouTube shorts, because at the moment YouTube shorts have been started paying creators now, so you can utilize this tool and start growing your business, right? So as you can see, I'm on the site called Opus Clip, right? So this is a content creation AI tool, and pretty much what you're going to do is you can either create your own video, or if you are someone who doesn't have that much time to create content, you can pretty much do this method just by taking other people's content, and when you're going to put the link on this actual website, it will just, for example, if you make if you get a long video, maybe 3 or 5 or 10 minutes, it will cut out the important parts from that and make it into like maybe 10 or 15 videos, sometimes 5 videos. So those videos, it's like really trendy video. So those video, give me a second. Sorry about that. So that video you can actually go ahead and pretty much upload on your channel, right? So you can create that video and put it on YouTube Shorts. You can create that video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, right? So that way, when you get more visitors on your website, and those are actual traffic, right? And what you're going to do is put a link on your bio, and you don't even have to tell on the video to go on your bio. They will automatically go to your bio as you're putting out valuable content on a daily basis, and they will just automatically go. I have had sales without me even mentioning that I am sending people to a bio, because what TikTok is actually cracking down on, people sending like creators sending people to their bio, and those accounts are actually getting suspended, right? So I don't actually tell people to go in my bio, and automatically, just by the value you're going to be providing, they will automatically go to your bio, and also that you will actually get sales, right? So what you're going to do is, I personally like Bob Proctor's speeches, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on this link here, all right? And very quickly, I'm going to take this link, and I'm just going to drop that onto this actual tool, right? So, and then I'm going to search, right? Search, and that way when I search, it will automatically just create the video, right? Very awesome way, and doesn't take that much time. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer because a lot of people are actually using it, but sometimes it actually gives the video very quickly to you, right? So that way you can go ahead and once you get that video, I have my TikTok ready here, and I also have my Facebook here, right? Facebook Reels. So depends whichever niche you are into, you can actually do that same kind of content on all the different niche, all the different channels, right? That way you can get huge amount of traffic onto your channel without you doing much of the work, right? Before, I used to hire editors to do my videos for my TikTok and Instagram, right? But now, because of this automated tool, you can literally come in here and maybe less than 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can crank out like 5 or 10 videos very soon. So you can see it's just how much time it actually takes for that actual software to generate that, right? But something cool I also wanted to share with you is, if you creating a TikTok account, you can literally come here on ChatGPT, and then you can say, can you give me 10 TikTok branded name on, maybe for example we'll say motivation niche channel, niche account, right? So that way we'll actually give you 10 TikTok branded channel ideas, right? Motivation mastery, right? So you can see, you can literally don't have to do the brainstorming now. Before I used to sit down and used to think about channel names and also my TikTok name. So these names you can also search it on Google, see if there's any accounts through that, or you can just go and look for that channel on TikTok to see if there's any channel. And you can also literally go in here and ask TikTok what other names you can do based on this. Give me some more unique names as well, so that way you can have all these unique things on your channel, right? So you can see we've got 3 minutes left, and processing time is 80% done, so literally won't be long. But this is a awesome way for I'd say a complete beginner to promote your affiliate marketing stuff. So for example, you have a weight loss product that you want to promote, right? What you're gonna do is create a TikTok account and pretty much start cranking out content, putting content on TikTok based on that niche, and you're going to search for that video, right? If you, for example, if it is a weight loss product, right, you want to promote, I'm just going to go onto YouTube, right? I'm gonna come to YouTube and I'll see which video I can get for me to take and then upload on this different platform, right? So this might be a good video. So I'm going to just take this video and I'm literally going to just drop that video on this website, and it will just create a whole bunch of content, right? So you can see for Bob Proctor, there was literally a 3-minute clip. That's why it's on one video, right? But if you are someone, if you put a video that's maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it will give you a lot of videos. So you can just take that same video and upload onto different channels, right? So it's really simple how everything is working here, and you can just click it.
If you can show me a person who achieves great things.
Right, so you can see it's very unique. So what I'll actually do, I'll download this video, I'll download this and I'll upload this onto my TikTok account, and it doesn't really matter. My thing that I'm actually promoting is digital products. So I'm just going to take this video and upload it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts, so that way I can get more traffic onto my website, and also people will just automatically go to my bio and buy the product, right? So again, thank you so much. Just a short video, and hope you love this video. And again, thank you so much, and my God bless you all. Bye for now.